I'm Dr. Bianca Busch, founder of the College Psychiatrist. In my practice, I work primarily with college students, and through my work and lived experiences, I understand the stress that comes with exams. Exams can be super stressful, and it can be easy to feel overwhelmed or anxious, especially when it comes to sitting down to take the test. So, grounding techniques can really make a difference. What exactly is a grounding technique? It's a mental strategy that helps you stay present and focused in the current moment. You can think of it as a way of anchoring yourself when you're feeling stressed or disconnected from your reality. So let's get into some simple grounding activities that you can try during the exam. I'm going to talk about four. The first one is naming five things. So before you begin your test, you can take a moment to look around and identify five objects that are in the room. Say them to yourself or quietly, and this is a quick exercise that can help calm your nerves and really bring you and your attention to the present moment. The next exercise is describing an item. So once you've settled into your seat at the exam, or even if you're taking it at home and you're online, choose an object that's in your surrounding area and describe it in detail to yourself. Focus on the color, the shape, the textures that you can observe, any other characteristics that you notice. And this can help quiet the chatter in your mind and keep you grounded as you start your test. Number three, engage your senses. I love this one. And this is something you can try by if smelling certain scents is calming to you, or certain flavors or textures are calming to you. So in your backpack, you can carry a scented lotion. Lavender, mint, jasmine, rose, even citrus can be helpful in alleviating stress. So just before the exam, take out the lotion, rub it on your hands. Take a few moments to take a deep breath in, enjoy the scent, savor the scent, and then you can also observe the refreshing feeling of having moisturized hands. Fourth thing that you can do is find an object of focus. And if you find yourself feeling anxious or distracted during the test, you can try holding onto a small object like your pen or pencil. You might also bring a small item with you if it's permitted. Pay attention to the weight, the texture, the temperature of what you're holding. This physical sensation can help you bring back focus to the test and to the task at hand, easing your anxiety. So let's try a couple together. Here we are. You've settled into your exam. Let's take a moment to look for five objects around you, and I'm going to say them out loud. So I see my water bottle. I have a canister of pens. There's a chair with a pillow in the corner. I have a window, and the wind is blowing outside. One more. I have some flowers on my desk. Okay, great. So, what did you see? You can leave it in the comments, or just say to yourself. The next one that we can practice together is the hand lotion exercise. And so, again, I've got some lotion here, and we are going to just have a pump in our hand. You can try this at home, pause the video, go and get some lotion. So, I'm just taking it, I'm going to rub my hands. It really feels smooth. This lotion isn't too heavy. You can tell that it's definitely water-based. It's light. It's not leaving my hands feeling greasy. This lotion smells like rose water, which reminds me of summer. It reminds me of rose gardens, the rose gardens in Tyler, Texas, right? So I'm feeling already a bit more calm and relaxed. The action of just rubbing my hands and massaging my hands is relaxing, in addition to the scent. All right, last one we're going to try together is an object, holding a small object. You might have a stone or a rock at home. I'm going to use this little turtle, this little guy who's on my shelf. And so I'm going to focus on the texture and the weight. This is a very light turtle. His shell is smooth. You can tell that it's like polished. There's a lot of little detail in the clay of this turtle. You can see his little claws, and his head kind of wiggles, kind of bobs. So overall, and it's kind of silly, it's kind of funny. So overall, this turtle is light. His shell is really smooth. The clay is like unpolished for his feet, his little legs and his feet. And then, oh, as I'm looking at this, kind of interesting how his head wiggles. It's on these two little pieces of metal that are together, circle pieces of metal that allow the head to wiggle. So I'm taken out of my anxious thoughts, things that might be telling me I'm going to have a hard time with this exam. And I'm just focusing on this turtle, which is kind of silly and fun and bringing me back to the moment. So remember, grounding techniques are simple yet powerful tools to stay present and focused, especially during stressful times. Think of them as invisible tools that you can reach for during stressful tests or any other times. Give them a try and see how they work for you. And for those of you who are struggling with testing anxiety, consider joining our 8-week testing anxiety program. It's designed to provide you with the tools and support you need to overcome your anxiety and perform best on your exams. So don't let anxiety hold you back from reaching your full potential. Sign up today. We'd love to hear from you, answer your questions about it. And again, I'm Dr. Bianca Busch, founder of the College Psychiatrist, and I'm always in your corner.